Bonjour à tous, hi everyone, and welcome to your French lesson of the day, la leçon du jour, and today we will see le plus que parfait. So, if you want to construct le plus que parfait, keep in mind that as all the composed tense in the French language, first you will have to use avoir and être, and then you will have to use le participe passé. Okay? So, avoir is used for most of the verbs, so if you have a doubt and you're not really sure, we'll see that there are a few exceptions, of course, but maybe you could use avoir, because in most of the cases it would be the correct form. But then keep in mind that être is used for the verbe réfléchi, okay, so all these verbs starting with a se, something, and then the following verbs like aller, venir, entrer, sortir, arriver, partir, monter, passer, descendre, rester, tomber, devenir, naître, mourir. So you've got to try to remember them and keep in mind that they're using être, okay, for le plus que parfait and then for all these composed tense of the French language. Okay. So second part is le participe passé. So all the verbs from the first group ending with er will then turn into e. Okay, so the example you've got here is parler ending with er. So you just take away this er and you change it with the accent aigu e. Okay, well, pronunciation is the same. Parler, parler. Okay, but then you can see that you write it differently. Okay, second group er will become I. Okay, so example here is choisir and it becomes choisi. Okay, and then the verbs ending with re will become u. Be careful because there are some exceptions, but anyway, it's a first group and you can make your own exceptions after that. Well, at least you will remember, don't worry about that. So the example is vendre and it becomes vendu. Okay, so we've got, of course, exceptions. We'll try to see well, the most important ones. And then the first one is être and it becomes été. Avoir becomes eu. Faire becomes fait. Venir becomes venu. Prendre becomes pris. Écrire becomes écrit. Dire becomes dit. Voir becomes vu. Tenir, tenu. Mettre, mis. Ouvrir, ouvert. Naître, né. Okay, so in this case, if you want to build the plus que parfait, you've got to remember that avoir ou être should be at the imparfait form. Okay, so let's see if you do remember them. So avoir at the imparfait form is j'avais, tu avais, il avait, nous avions, vous aviez, ils avaient. Alright? So you can see that. J'avais, tu avais, il avait, nous avions, vous aviez, ils avaient. And then for être, j'étais, tu étais, il était, nous étions, vous étiez, ils étaient. Ok? J'étais, tu étais, il était, nous étions, vous étiez, ils étaient. Okay? So let's have few examples now. So the first one, j'avais mangé. Tu avais fini. Il avait écrit. Elle avait été. Nous avions eu. Vous aviez pris. Ils avaient acheté. Elles avaient choisi. Okay? And then what I will propose now in this second part is to pronounce them with des liaisons. Okay? So the first one, j'avais mangé, tu avais fini, il avait écrit, elle avait été, nous avions eu, vous aviez pris, ils avaient acheté, elles avaient choisi. Okay? Second group now, few examples with être. J'étais arrivé. Tu étais parti. Il était venu. Elle était rentrée. Nous étions restés. Vous étiez tombés. Ils étaient descendus. Elles étaient allées. Okay, important thing now, you can see that I've been putting some E and S in red. It does mean that if you get to use être for the plus que parfait, or then for all the composed tense in the French language, you will have to put E if the subject is feminine, and then you will have to put S if the subject is plural, and of course if the subject is feminine and plural, you will have to put ES at the ending. Okay? So let's repeat them now with all the liaisons. J'étais arrivé, tu étais parti, il était venu, elle était rentrée, nous étions restés, vous étiez tombés, ils étaient descendus, elles étaient allées. Alright? So you can see that in most of the cases you don't pronounce the final E and S. Okay, so be sure and try to remember to write them, but don't pronounce them. Okay, have a nice day. I hope it was clear for you. Don't be afraid to watch it again and again. Bye bye.